Are you tired of trading time for money? Want to wake up to $300 to $900 richer while you were asleep? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. I've got the secret right here, and guess what? You don't need a huge following, you don't need to invest a single dime, and you certainly don't need to create a website or a YouTube channel. Stick around, because I'm about to spill all the secrets that the big boys don't want you to know. But before anything else, smash that subscribe button if you're hungry for the easiest advice on how to make cash like a boss. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Finding hot products on Amazon. First things first, head over to Amazon.com. Once you've chosen your niche, whether it's fitness, cooking, gardening, or traveling, use the search bar to find products in that category. But here's the trick. Sort those results by bestsellers. These are the products that are flying off the shelves, and they're your golden ticket to fat commission checks. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program to earn up to 10% commission on every product you promote. It's that simple. Step 2, Pinterest power. Now let's talk about Pinterest, the unsung hero of affiliate marketing. With millions of users flocking to the platform every day, it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Simply search for your niche, let's say travel accessories, and you'll find countless posts by other creators promoting affiliate links. These creators are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views each month, and you can too. Step 3. Optimizing your Pinterest account. But how do you stand out in a sea of pins? It's all about optimizing your Pinterest account. Craft a compelling bio and add a link to your affiliate store. Need inspiration? ChatGPT can help you whip up a killer bio packed with searchable keywords. Once your bio is set, sign up for Kit.co, your secret weapon for building affiliate stores with Amazon products. Create themed kits filled with best-selling products in your niche and watch the commissions roll in. Step 4. Building your affiliate store. Now it's time to stock your store with must-have products. Add at least 5 to 15 items to your kit, making sure to include those top-selling gems. Once your store is set up, link it to your Amazon Associates account to ensure you get credit for every sale. Share your store link on your Pinterest bio, and you're ready to start earning. Step 5. Crafting compelling pins. But wait, there's more. To drive traffic to your store, you'll need eye-catching pins. Head over to Canva and create stunning graphics featuring your affiliate products. Don't forget to include catchy titles and descriptions to entice clicks. Once your pins are ready, upload them to Pinterest, add your store link, and publish them to dedicated boards in your niche. And that's the wrap. You've now mastered our 5-step affiliate marketing strategy, capable of bringing in $300 to $900 every single day. The ball is in your court. Are you someone who wants to make easy money and watch this video again, following step-by-step the method? Or are you just lazily scrolling through other YouTube videos? The choice is yours. Are you a go-getter who takes the leap? Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to become part of our growing community. The money is there for the taking, buddy.